Hey everyone, this is Jacob Markovitz at Keller Williams. We just got our monthly market stats comparing March of 2023 to March of 2022. We're going to run through the quick snapshot of this. So home sales are down about 15.4% year over year. Home prices were down about 12.1%. This is a trend we've seen for the last 3 months. I expect this to continue. I think we really kind of hit our peak for market value around June and August, so we'll probably see the peak there. For new listings, we're down about 25.7%. Interest rates were up about 2.4%, and they've actually started to stabilize a little better. We're floating between 5.75 and about 6.5, depending on the day and depending on your discount points. For our days on market, we're up to 58 days on market. And then for the absorption rate, we're up about 1.5 months to a total of 2.2 months worth of housing supply. That 6-month mark being the transition to a buyer's market. So we're obviously still under there quite a bit. With the interest rate starting to come down and stabilize a bit more, obviously we've seen inflation start to cool. The producer price index numbers got released, I believe, last week on Thursday. And with those numbers coming out, they came in almost a whole point underneath the expectation on there. And with that number coming in that low, if that's starting to happen on the producer side, that is going to get passed on to the consumer at some point. So I expect that we'll continue to see the 10-year treasuries come down, which will continue to impact the interest rates. Okay, now diving into inventory levels over time. I think this number is very telling about what's happening in our market and the trend that we're going to continue to see. So we had 251 homes on the market this March. The year prior to that was 106 homes on during the same time. The year prior to that, as crazy as this sounds, was 39 homes on the market, and then 217 homes on the market in 2020. The last time we had 251 homes on the market was almost all the way back to 2017. So we're definitely starting to see the inventory come back up, but we're still only at 2.2 months worth of housing supply. That's the thing you have to take in consideration, is we're more transitioning into a normal market. And even with all of that being said, I've seen $500,000 listings sell within 1 day. New construction is still moving pretty quickly if those homes are priced correctly. And so we'll just have to see how much an impact this has for the inventory levels once we get into May, June, July, and August. And one scenario that could continue to happen there is obviously a lot of people put their homes on the market, they pull them off the market, they're not getting the prices they want, but they have such a great rate, they don't actually have to move, that they continue to just stay in that house or again, keep it as a rental property. So we'll see what April's numbers look like once we get into May and have a snapshot of that. I'll continue to keep you guys updated. If you have any questions, please feel free to text, call, or email me. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.